Welcome again on Twigger School YouTube channel. Today we are going to study data type in JavaScript. JavaScript has so many data types such as numbers, string, boolean, null, undefined, symbol, and big int. Today we are going to look one by one and see how we can find data type of a given variable. Let's start by doing sample examples. We are going to open Visual Studio Code. Then after opening Visual Studio Code, we are going to create a new uh, JavaScript file. It is here, it is untitled. To create it, let's create it called data type.js. Then after creating data type.js, we are going to write, first of all, we are going to see on number, we are going to declare let num type be assigned to 5, for example, and we are going to display it by saying console.log then num type, then display it, sorry, save it, then run it by opening a new terminal. We are going to run it by saying data type, and then we've forgotten to write node data type. Okay, it is not necessary to write JS. As you can see, we are outputting 5. Then after displaying 5, we are going to declare another number, string string type, sorry, type. We've forgotten to use this one, num type, okay, string type, like this one. This is necessary in JavaScript. Then string type will be, okay, sorry, oh, like this. String type will be 5, like this. We are going to check whether the addition of num type plus string type will be equal to 10 because 5 plus 5 it will be 10. Let's check and see. We're going to run. You can see we have 55. 55 is not equal to 5 plus 5. Why? Why do you have to see this? As you can see also the color of result are not the same. The first one is green, the second one is white. Do you know the cause of this? Okay, I'm going to tell you. Because of this, the first one we have num type is equal to 5. The second is a string type. Why is it a string? Because we have single quote here. When we use single quote, it means we changed everything inside single quote or double quote. It becomes string. But when we have nothing here, without anything, and we have number here, it become number. Let's check and see if we remove this single quote. If we remove single quote and run again, we are going to see 10. Wow, it become it becomes 10. Okay, why can we have a string like this and change it into integer? We are going to use a built-in function called it is called parseInt. ParseInt will change this string one into integer. Let's say it parse int. As you can see, we can use also parse float or parse, parse everything. Okay, like this one. As you can see here, we should be getting, we should get, uh, sorry, yeah, we should get 55 if, as we got it here. But and now we are getting 10. You can see why are we getting 10? while here we already have string because this parse int. This parse int is going to fetch the number which is inside in this string into string. Let's check if we have this one. Let's check and see what is going to be. Not a number. It is saying it is not a number because this one is not a number. It include other string. If we say, for example, here, like this one, we should get here, we will get something which is number. Okay, you can see it is working. Okay, how this is how we change string into number. Okay, we can use string welcome home, for example. If we write welcome home here, we are going to see the result will be a string. Okay, let's check the string type. Sorry, string type like this one. Let's check and see. Okay, you can see output 5 welcome home. Now we know the data type of number. We know data type of a string. Let's see Boolean. Boolean data type. Use true or false. Use Boolean data type. Use true or false. Let's check how we can get true or false. For example, if we say, for example, console dot log, like this one, we say num type is equal to string type, for example. Let's check and see the result. The result will be like the following. Welcome home. We have 5, welcome home, and false. Why is this false? Because this one is not a the num type is not equal to a string type. This is how we are going to display Boolean type. Okay, we are going to display null value. Okay, let's declare null empty variable. Let's say let empty for empty var and say this one, and we are going to display empty var by saying console.log dot empty var. Okay, like this one. You can say it is undefined, and sorry, this is undefined data type. Empty var it will be, let's say, a null value. Let's say let null value null val will be equal to null, like this one. Okay, let's display it by saying console.log, okay, dot null val, like this one. Then display it. If we display that one, we be 5 welcome home, 5 as number, welcome home as a string, false as Boolean, undefined as undefined value, and null as null value, null type. Okay, let's say let's see how we use a big integer. A big integer is used when we want to declare a value with more than 15 digits. Because when we declare a number with more than 15 digits, it rounds it to a specific number. But when we use big int like this one, big int, big int, like this one. If we use big int like this one, will be display big integer. Let big num be equal to big int, and putting here more than 15 characters and display it. Check and see console.log dot big int. Sorry, big num. Okay. If we display big num, let's check and see. You can see a big num is what is all displayed. If we change this one, if we display this one, for example, like this one, without big int, without big int, let's call it normal num. Let's call it normal num, and we are going to display normal num here. Normal num is going to be displayed here. We are going to take the result. The result will be rounded and written in a hexadecimal value. You can see the difference between big int and normal num. If we write normal num like this one, it will be not it will be not it will be not displayed. Let's check if we put in there. You can see it is being displayed. This n means we written a big int. Yes, okay. You can see the difference. Let's check the symbol value, symbol data type. Symbol data type is used when we want to differentiate. It is used when we want to display to differentiate the same value with different variables. For example, let declare here. Let symbol one equal to for example equal to symbol sorry equal to symbol sorry equal to well done, like this one, and symbol 2 equal to well done also. Okay, you compare these symbols by saying console.log symbol 1 is equal to symbol 2. Let's check and see the result. Check and see the result. The result will be true. Okay, the result will be true. Let's check if we use symbol function. Symbol, we are going to say symbol like this one. As I told you, symbol when is used when we want to differentiate the same values with the different variables. Let's check and see. Let's run it. See the result. You can see it is not the same. It is not the same. Why? Because we used the function symbols. Symbols is used to differentiate two different identifiers with the same values. As you can see, we have different data type in JavaScript. It's for us to use them and in different projects. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Please subscribe and leave a comment on our channel. Thank you.